Is it possible to gain 10,000 YouTube subscribers in just 15 days? While it sounds unbelievable, with the right strategy, it's absolutely achievable. In this video, viewers will learn a complete, actionable plan for growing a brand new YouTube channel from zero to thousands of engaged subscribers quickly and effectively. Starting a new YouTube channel doesn't require luck, special connections, or viral gimmicks. What it does require is understanding the audience, creating irresistible content, and following proven growth techniques. Some new channels, even with as few as 7 uploaded videos, have crossed over 19,000 subscribers within 2 weeks, driven by the power of intentional strategy and content planning. Several videos on growing channels have reached 400,000 views, others close to 1 million, with some crossing milestones like 1.7 and even 2.1 million views. This rapid growth is not an accident, it follows a replicable system. This training will outline the steps to follow. How to discover video ideas that audiences actually want to watch. How to craft compelling scripts that hold viewer attention. The best tools to streamline the content creation process. A title strategy that can dramatically boost click-through rates. For anyone serious about treating YouTube like a real business and building a profitable channel, this guide is essential. Step 1. Finding video ideas that audiences love. Every successful YouTube channel starts with strong ideas. A viral-worthy idea isn't random, it's based on understanding what truly resonates with viewers. Before creating content, it's important to identify what topics spark curiosity and excitement. What themes keep viewers watching until the very end? What type of content encourages sharing and commenting? One recommended method is using AI tools like ChatGPT or DeepSeek to generate a list of potential ideas. By using a specially designed prompt, creators can request multiple content ideas based on popular topics. After receiving the list, it's important to select the idea with the most emotional pull. For example, a theme like things that make zero sense but we all accept performs strongly because it triggers curiosity and relatability immediately. Selecting the right idea at the beginning sets the stage for the entire video's success. Step 2. Writing an engaging script. Once a viral idea is selected, the next critical step is crafting a script that keeps viewers engaged from the first second to the last. Viewer retention is one of the strongest signals to YouTube's algorithm. High retention rates lead to wider video distribution and accelerated channel growth. Many creators make the mistake of focusing solely on editing, but scripting plays an even more important role. A well-crafted script hooks viewers emotionally and intellectually, encouraging them to stay longer, like, comment, and share. To build an engaging script, it's recommended to use a detailed 2-page AI prompt designed specifically for creating YouTube scripts. After generating the script, it should be personalized further. Remove any generic or filler text. Add conversational questions like, "Did you know why this happens?" or "Think about it for a second." Maintain a natural, flowing tone. These adjustments make the script feel human and relatable, significantly boosting audience retention and connection. Step 3. Producing the video quickly and efficiently. With the script ready, the next step is producing the video content. Manual editing can be time-consuming, especially for new creators who need to build momentum fast. To save time and create high-quality videos efficiently, automation tools like videye are recommended. The process is simple. Sign up on videye's platform, create a new project and select faceless shorts as the video type. Upload the polished script. Choose a realistic AI voiceover such as Adam. Select a viral style background video. gameplay or stock footage. VidAI's system ensures that all assets are copyright safe, removing any potential legal concerns. After setting everything up, the content can be generated automatically, producing a fully edited, ready to publish video in minutes. Step 4. Polishing the video for maximum impact. Before publishing the video, final optimization is key. Captions should be fine-tuned for clarity and style. Font, Montserrat. Text color, bright yellow. Font size, 100. Animation style. Background music can also be added, but it should remain subtle to avoid distracting viewers from the main message. Small tweaks like these enhance viewer engagement, making the video more professional and helping it stand out in YouTube's crowded space. Step 5. The secret title strategy for explosive growth. One final trick to supercharge YouTube growth is using the selected hook as the video's title. Instead of a generic title like Emoji Quiz Challenge, titles that immediately spark curiosity such as things that make zero sense but we all accept should be used. Research shows that titles leveraging strong emotional hooks can increase click-through rates by more than 300%. Higher click-through rates lead to more initial views, which accelerates the viral cycle. To test the impact, creators can upload two similar videos, one with a regular title and one with a hook-based title, and compare the results. The difference in performance is often significant. Final recap. Here's a quick overview of the complete system. Starts with viral, audience-centered video ideas. Craft scripts that emotionally connect and keep viewers watching. Automate video production using AI tools like VidAI. Optimize visual elements for clarity and impact. Use hook-based titles to maximize clicks and engagement. YouTube today is much more than a social media platform. It's a full-fledged opportunity to build a business. Following these steps doesn't just leave success to chance, it engineers it strategically. Those who take action today will find that their first 10,000 subscribers and beyond are much closer than they think. For those ready to start, now is the perfect time. Apply these techniques, upload consistently, and watch the momentum build